Welcome back, everybody. So in the last video, you saw us do these panels. Here's one side, there's the other side, back there. Camera's being annoying, because I always have it in the face track mode. But, yeah. This video, we are going to stand these panels up, square them up, and build the front and back. So sit back and enjoy. And here we have our finished product for the time being, at least. I hauled the mattress down from upstairs that we're going to use for it. Fits in there pretty nicely, a little space on either side, so I could go up a little bit bigger on the width of the mattress, but nice little gear area behind it. So I'm going to flip the camera around for you. Here we go. Up next, what we're going to do is we're going to take the rack that we're going to use on top of this, which you'll see in the kind of end credit drawing of my original drawing for this, and we're probably going to set that on top so we can get our height figured out and make sure that everything lines up properly with that. This trailer is not going to be light. I was hoping it would be a bit lighter when we started building it, but it's just kind of turned into a lot more heavy-duty build than what we thought it would be. So clearly it is a different day, as will be the next clip, but we had to do some figuring. We got the rack, so the rack is back, where is it? Right there. I can show you that. I have a whole series on Truck Talk videos about this rack. It's KB Voodoo. It's got these sweet bike mounts on the side. I've had to repaint it and do a bunch of stuff because the powder coat was terrible. And eventually the company actually did stop talking to me and responding to my emails. A little bit upset with that. So I just gave up on it and called it quits and just accepted the fact that that's who they were. They also stopped making this rack probably a few months after I got it, unfortunately, as well. They switched over to aluminum instead of steel. Not sure how their racks are, if they're better or stronger or anything. I really don't follow or pay attention to them. But a lot of racks are now exactly identical to how that one works with the bolting and all that. If you're curious, I'll put like a card or some link here down in the description to those Truck Talk videos. But what we did and what you're going to see next is build kind of the outline for the roof. The roof, we are going to put some skylight windows in. The cap came with some other ones, so we're going to put a couple of these on the sides and a couple in the front too, so it's going to have a lot of light inside of this thing coming in through the windows. It's going to be great. Not sure how the insulation is going to counteract that or not, so check out building that and cutting up all the wood and getting everything built. we do have our completed product here on the floor. Have yet to fit it up top or anything like that, but it's fairly strong. Twists a little bit, but we are adding these gusset like things to them to strengthen it, and just have to go through and clean up the edges, make them all folded over nicely. Then we will actually get to skinning it. We're going to skin this with Luan on both sides instead of the big OBS plywood. We wanted the OBS so that we could hang stuff off the walls more easily, but we don't necessarily need to hang stuff off the ceiling. So we're gonna get that all taken care of hopefully in the next week, and that'll be part 5. We are also waiting on the vent for the roof and some other parts, which just finally showed up after being delayed by weather and other things. Apparently they showed up like a week late, which was a pain, and since they were already showing up all late because of mass amounts of people ordering stuff online. So I'm glad to finally have all the parts. It should be what I need to do everything from now on, hopefully. But part 5 will definitely be getting this up, maybe some walls. Still have yet to figure out the door exactly, but got a few ideas now from looking at other trailers and looking online and everything. So that'll be real good to get done. The rally has yet to be canceled this year, so hopefully first big trip in this will be up to Maine to watch some rally car racing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and have a great day.